Why do you have strength? Don't wait till you're laying someplace and breathing and gasping and saying, well, if I only had my strength back, I'd go and do something for God. Do it now. Do it while you have your strength. Why? Because that word is energized. How many believe that this word is energized? And it's energized with a divine guidance system to take you to the ultimate destination. He said the word is the thing today. Be waved over the people, the word, the logos, because out from him has come a light. We're going to conclude this age. I believe he has confidence. I have a people on earth that believe the word. They've consumed the veil. They know who I am, and they know that I am in them, and they are in me, and they are preparing now for the rapture. Because Satan has so contaminated our thinking that somehow we've got an allowance for a mistake. But I'm going to announce to you tonight, this bride will not miss on one word. You Lutherans, Methodists, Baptists, Pentecostals, and nothing, and world, and sinners, come out and be identified with your true lineage. It's not that you have to hear something new. Let God inspire the message you already know. You don't need something new. You need the fire to quicken what you already have. They ate there and they died. You're eating now to live. I have confidence that we're going to sit around the marriage supper table and we're going to look into one another's faces and the Lamb will come and dry our tears away. Something one day that called and said, I want you to preach the gospel. It's him, Christ. And if it's not Christ, you folks are wasting your time. You ought to go and find yourself a pastor. That's what you need. You need somebody who speaks on behalf of Christ. So that there's something inside that says, that's the truth. I'll hang on to that and stake my life on it. That's what you need.